Welcome to Dalan Sports Academy. This is Sridhar for you. Alright, so we have seen two sessions of upper body workout drills. I've received positive feedbacks and also received a lot of suggestions which I've implemented in my second upper body workout videos. Please do watch and give me more suggestions and improvements so that I can implement it in the upcoming video sessions. So quickly, two of the suggestions which I've implemented to be very short and crisp. One is the yoga mat. If you have seen my first upper body workout videos, I would have used a cotton cloth, and when you use that in the terrace and do these exercises, no issues because there is no, it will not slip out. But when you use that cotton mattress in your inside home to do these exercises, it is very risky in terms of it will high chance of slipping. So I've implemented that, and the second one is they wanted me to give for each and every exercise drill that I'm telling you the effectiveness of that. So I have tried to implement it in the second session of my upper body videos. So hope it is already there. So do see and comment as well. So with that, today we are going to see about the lower body workout drills. So before going into the video, as usual, I have a message. I have left positivity and change in the previous videos. So today, what we are going to see about is, let me read it out. You have to fight through some bad days to earn the best days of your life. So this is perfect and very well matching for our current situation. That is one. And second thing is, if you ask me, these are not bad days. Living the COVID-19 apart, I would say we have a lot of memories, lot of experiences in this lockdown. We have enough time to spend with our families and loved ones. I'm sure we are going to, have these memories lifetime, which is a positive. We have more experiences to learn on this. And also, we are doing these kind of fitness and very, very good, activities in this lockdown. So I think these are no bad days, and these are definitely going to be very, very effective. And the best days of our life is yet to come, and I'm sure that these are going to pay very high for each and every one of them. So keep doing the good activities, keep doing the fitness, stay fit, and explore and reach various heights. This is Sridhar for you. Let's get into the session. Please read out the instructions carefully, and the main thing is the warm-up and stretches before starting these drills, and 2 minutes of jogging. These are the 9 set of lower body workouts. Each drill has to be performed for 45 seconds and then followed by 15 seconds of rest. First one is the jump squat. From the standing position, you need to jump by rising both your hands straighter and come back to the squat position. So the thigh muscles will get strengthened because of this, and do this for 45 seconds followed by 15 seconds of rest. Make sure you get back from the comfortable position and go to the setup position slowly and steadily for each drill. Second one is the alternating stepping lunge. From the standing position, you need to step out your left and right legs alternatively, go to the lunge position and then stand up and do this alternatively. The thigh muscles will get strengthened, which is highlighted in the video. Do this for 45 seconds and then take 15 seconds of rest. Get back from comfortable position, take 15 seconds of rest and go to the setup position slowly and steadily. For each drill, we have highlighted the possible areas of impact of the muscles for easy reference. The third one is the single leg hip thrust right. Start with the right first. So go to the setup position slowly and steadily and Make sure you are in a comfortable position and raise your right leg and raise your hip higher with the help of your left leg. The thighs and the upper portion of the calves muscles will get strengthened, which is highlighted. So do this for 45 seconds and take 15 seconds of rest. Get back from the comfortable position. Take 15 seconds of rest. Go to the setup position slowly and steadily. So the next one is the single leg hip thrust left. This is the same as previous one, but this time you have to lift your left leg higher and then raise your hip with the help of your right leg, and your thighs and upper portion of the calf muscles will get strengthened. Make sure you raise only your hip and not your upper body, and do this for 45 seconds. Get back from the comfortable position. Take 15 seconds of rest and go to the setup position slowly and steadily. Next one is the alternating leg deadlift. So from the standing position, you need to bend down and lift your alternate legs straighter backwards. So this is called deadlift. So make sure that you're while you bend and also lift your legs backwards, your legs and your hands are straighter. Get back from your comfortable position, take 15 seconds of rest, and the next one is the alternating calf rise. So this is very simple. From the standing position, rise your foot up and down, so the calf muscles will get strengthened, which is highlighted. Get back from the comfortable position and take 15 seconds of rest. Go to the setup position slowly and steadily. Next is the speed air squat. So from the standing position, you need to go to the squat position and then rise up and do this very fast. This is called air squat. Touch the ground and then stand up. Again, this is the thigh muscle strengthening exercise. Get back from the comfortable position, take 15 seconds of rest, and the next one is the alternating side lunge. So from the standing position, you need to alternatively sit on one leg and then extend your other leg. So do this very slowly. This is little bit of challenging exercise. The balance and the stretch of the legs is very, very important. And again, the thighs and the calf muscles will get strengthened. So take 15 seconds of rest and go back to the setup position. And the last one is the static squat hold. So on the squat position, you need to hold yourself for 45 seconds, and the thigh and the upper calf muscles will get strengthened. And this is the end of the session. Fitness is the faith. Make today awesome, guys. Cheers.